NextJs Advanced features. Here are some of the notable changes and improvements in NextJs 12. Faster builds. NextJs 12 introduced a new build pipeline called the Webpack 5 Base Builder, which significantly speeds up build times and reduces memory usage. Improved image component. The image component in NextJs 12 has been improved to provide better loading performance and accessibility. It now also supports SVG images and custom loaders. Upgraded React version. NextJs 12 uses React 18 Alpha, which includes several performance improvements and new features like the Start Transition API for smoother transitions between states. Improved API routes. API routes in NextJs 12 now support streaming responses and have better error handling. Improved TypeScript support. NextJs 12 includes improved TypeScript support, including better error messages and better support for TypeScript-specific features like enums and namespaces. Other improvements. NextJs 12 includes many other smaller improvements and bug fixes, including better support for internationalization and improved compatibility with certain third-party libraries. NextJs is a powerful framework that offers several advanced features to help developers build robust, scalable, and high-performing web applications. Here are some of the most important advanced features of NextJs. Server-side rendering. NextJs enables server-side rendering, SSR, which means that the initial HTML content is generated on the server and sent to the client, rather than relying on JavaScript to render the content in the browser. This approach improves SEO, performance, and the user experience, especially on slower networks. Automatic code splitting. NextJs automatically splits your code into smaller chunks, which are loaded only when needed. This feature improves performance by reducing the amount of code that needs to be loaded initially. Static site generation. NextJs enables static site generation, SSG, which generates HTML files at build time, rather than at runtime. This approach can significantly improve performance and reduce server load, especially for sites with a lot of static content. Dynamic imports. NextJs supports dynamic imports, which means that modules can be loaded only when they are needed, improving performance and reducing initial load time. API routes. NextJs enables API routes, which allow you to create serverless functions that can be used to handle API requests. This feature makes it easy to create scalable and flexible APIs without having to manage a server. Image optimization. NextJs includes automatic image optimization, which reduces the file size of images without sacrificing quality. This feature can significantly improve performance by reducing the amount of data that needs to be downloaded. Automatic code compilation. NextJs automatically compiles your code when you save changes, so you don't have to worry about manually compiling your code every time you make changes. Internationalization. NextJs includes built-in support for internationalization, making it easy to create sites in multiple languages. TypeScript support. NextJs has built-in support for TypeScript, which makes it easier to write type-safe code and catch errors early. These advanced features, combined with the ease of use and flexibility of NextJs, make it an excellent choice for building complex web applications.